There she is, Millie, the new plowing tractor. And to celebrate, Sugarfoot and me is going hunting.
Sugarfoot deserves the rest, John.
Oh, I got that all fixed. Look, a private pasture for him to spend the rest of his days in.
Why, that new tractor will do the work in half the time it takes Sugarfoot.
I'm gonna let Sugarfoot know his working days is over. Sugarfoot, what the heck are you doing? Millie, look what Sugarfoot done to our new tractor.
Sugarfoot?
Yeah.
And to think I used my last penny to buy it. And I thought Sugarfoot could retire and not have to work anymore. That's gratitude for you. Oh, there you are. Why did you do it? You thought that I was gonna shoot you and replace you with a tractor? Why, I've got a mind to turn you over to the glue works. Now you get off of my farm, you ungrateful critter, you. Get out.
Jump, you two, old boy. You're supposed to be a brave horse. Jump! Jump! Then we'll have to get a double, but where can we get one quickly? You? Well, we have no choice. You'll have to do. Report to makeup. Okay, roll 'em. Jump! Hold it. Okay, roll 'em.
Hi-ho, pewter!
Hold it. Okay, roll 'em.
Run for your lives! The dam is breaking!
Hold it. Roll 'em.
Help! Help! Save me!
Hold it.
Help! Save me! I wonder where Sugarfoot is today, John.
Look, Millie, Sugarfoot come home.
Oh, we're so glad to see you, Sugarfoot. Land sakes, look at all the money, John.
Keepers, Millie. Now we can get a new tractor again. And to celebrate, I'm gonna take Sugarfoot to the movies tonight. Pewter, the Wonder Horse in Blazing Bullets. This is gonna be a good one, Sugarfoot. Jeepers, that Pewter is sure a brave horse, ain't he?